Hey, this is Bobby Taylor. Going to announce something here. We're having a launch with a guy that I studied emails with, Matt. He is launching something that's coming up to tonight, I think. Well, depends on where you're at in the world right now. For me, it's tonight. I'm at 11 a.m. this morning in Bangkok. But this launch is going to be awesome. I'm going to post a video, this video on viral marketing works on my group and on my personal pages. So I just wanted to tell everybody to go and find this and get your, go find it, buy it. I'm buying it. It's 5,001 email swipes from the best email marketer probably on the face of the earth. He's been doing it since early 90s. He's made millions of dollars, and these emails are killer emails. I mean, really, really good. You could build your own email list, change them up a little bit, personalize them, use his ideas and his skills that he's honed over the years. So go get this link. Go buy this. The first sale is like only $7, and then it's got the upsales. But go look it at. Go check it out. It's going to be one of the best deals of the year. They're going to be doing this starting tonight or tomorrow for his birthday. So go get this. Buy this. It's going to be the best deal you'll buy in 19 or 20, whichever you get it in. So I'm in this right now. Thanks.